Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about a piece of mail from the IRS that you absolutely cannot ignore. Letter 3219. Now, getting any notice from the IRS can be nerve-wracking, but this one is particularly important. Letter 3219 is what's officially called a Statutory Notice of Deficiency. You might also hear it called a 90-day letter, and we'll get into why that 90-day time frame is so critical in a moment. So, what does this letter mean? In simple terms, it means the IRS has audited your tax return and believes you owe more tax than you reported. This isn't a bill demanding payment. Instead, it's a formal proposal from the IRS stating that they intend to assess additional tax against you. Inside the envelope with Letter 3219, you'll find a few key things. You'll see the letter itself, which explains the situation. You'll also find a computation statement that shows exactly how the IRS arrived at the new, higher tax amount. And there will be an explanation of the specific adjustments they made to your return. Finally, you'll see a waiver form, which is one of your response options. This whole process is rooted in the law, specifically Internal Revenue Code sections 6212 and 6213. These laws require the IRS to send you this notice by certified or registered mail, and they give you a very specific and powerful right. The right to challenge the IRS determination in the United States Tax Court before you have to pay the disputed amount. This is a huge deal. For most other legal disputes, you have to pay first and then sue to get your money back. But the 90-day letter is your ticket to have your day in court without opening your wallet first. Now, about that 90-day clock. The law is very clear. From the date the letter 3219 is mailed to you, you have exactly 90 days to file a petition with the U.S. Tax Court. If the notice is addressed to you outside the country, that period is extended to 150 days. I can't stress this enough. This deadline is absolute. It's not flexible. If you miss it, you lose your right to go to U.S. Tax Court without paying first. The court simply won't have jurisdiction to hear your case. So, what should you do when you get one of these letters? You have a few clear choices. First, if you review the changes and realize the IRS is right, you can agree with them. You would sign the waiver form that came with the letter and send it back. This lets the IRS assess the tax, and it stops the clock on interest charges. You can then work out a payment plan if you need to. Second, if you disagree with the IRS, you need to take action. This is where you exercise your right to go to U.S. Tax Court. You must file a formal petition within that 90-day window. This is a legal process, and while you can represent yourself, it's often a good idea to get professional help at this stage. Your third option is to do nothing. And honestly, this is the worst possible choice. If you ignore the letter and the 90-day period expires, the IRS will automatically assess the deficiency. They will then send you a bill, and if you don't pay, they can start collection actions, things like liens on your property or levies on your bank accounts and wages. By doing nothing, you give up your most powerful and cost-effective way to fight back. To recap, IRS Letter 3219 is a serious, time-sensitive legal document. It's your formal notification that the IRS is proposing a tax increase, and it starts a strict 90-day countdown for you to petition the U.S. Tax Court. Don't ignore it. Read it carefully, understand your options, and make a plan. Whether you agree, disagree, or need help figuring it out, taking proactive steps is key to achieving the best possible outcome. I hope this overview has been helpful. Dealing with the IRS can be complex, but knowledge is power. For more videos that break down complicated tax topics, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to learn how to handle all manners of IRS tax problems, download the QR code to view the free, The Ultimate Guide to Solving Your IRS Tax Problems. Or head over to the website to view it at www.hrichtax.com. Thanks for watching.